Making more cookies. This time we're making caramel-filled brownie cookies for my family's Thanksgiving party. I made this video like a month or something ago, but I forgot. Wait, no, I didn't forget, I just procrastinated. It feels like the first day of school was only yesterday. It smells really good. For my Christmas cookies, my classmates voted for red velvet cookies. I've never had red velvet before, so hopefully it's good.